I chose Carrington because my sister recommended it. She's a Carrington College graduate. She said it's an amazing school, and she said I'm gonna love it. Instructors, staff is all professional. They're unbelievable, amazing, and I really love it here.
When I came here, I actually did a tour around campus, and everybody was extremely nice to me, and I loved how everybody made me feel like I was family.
The whole school is all well organized. All staff are working so professionally. They make sure that we get the education that we need and we deserve, and they make sure to encourage us to accomplish our goals. There's a lot to learn, and it's like makes you more motivated to come to school because, like, to me, I'm thinking like, oh, what am I gonna learn today? And that's what makes me come to school and motivates me.
My favorite class was actually M40, and that's when we did vaccines. I loved doing them because they're super exciting.
Some of the things that I got to do in lab are vein punctures, blood draws, EKGs, blood testing, urinalysis, testing for hearing and vision as well.
I love blood draws. I love giving them. I love doing them. It's my favorite thing.
I would just say if you're planning to do it, just do it. Push yourself, because I once doubted myself, and here I am about to graduate in a couple of days with honors. It's never too late to accomplish your goals and dreams.